Halfway House Monday, mopar Monday. Got my brother's 05, got the 94, got the 04, and then my 07, which is on a road trip to O'Reilly's right now for more parts, more shitty parts. Just spilled my beer, kind of pissed off. A buddy found me some old Milwaukee with some good looking broad on there. Oh, that's good. So, water pump, power steering pump on this one. Should be an easy job, right? No, been here all fucking day. 94, finally finished the rear, working on the front. The 04, got the old drain. My buddy forgot his oil filter. We'll get to that one. So, got the water pump on. Power steering pump, we got it off. My pulley remover worked great. I could have swore I used this installer to install the one on my 07. And it worked fine. Does not fit this one for some reason. So try to get creative and kind of got it about 99% of the way on there. Knew better. Still tapped it with a hammer, and I poked through the back of the pump, the brand new pump. The shaft went through it. Fucking idiot. Knew better, but whatever. So we went to O'Reilly's, got a new pump, got the right installer, and got about 99.9% of the way all the way on with the pulley. And I was like, fuck, this ain't my truck. Why the fuck am I doing this? So made my brother crank on it the rest of the way. He got 2 cranks in, snapped off the installer inside the shaft. Great. So him and my buddy Thomas. So Thomas came over, doing an oil change, water pump, spark plugs, drained his oil. Said, oh fuck, I forgot my my oil filter at my chick's house. So he went with my brother to O'Reilly's. Because I was like, dude, I got too much shit to do. I can't, you don't need me to go back to O'Reilly's, just take my truck. So that's where the Hemi is. So of course they didn't have a power steering pump, another power steering pump, or another installer, so he had to go to New Braunfels. So Thomas is on his way back with his oil filter so we can get his knocked out. So we got water pump, power steering pump, all day affair apparently. It's just one of those ones that'll just fight you the whole way. Got the rear done on this, brand new rear end, brand new posi, brand new 354 gears, blah blah blah. Brand new QA1 shocks. Rear is done, except it's not bled yet because we still need to do front brakes. I got new calipers, pads, rotors, and then this thing will be out of my life. Well, it'll be out of my driveway. It won't be out of my life. I love this truck. He was actually my roommate back in 2011, back in San Marcos. But so I've known this truck a long time. Great truck, great buddy. But I don't think its permanent home was meant to be in my driveway. So not his fault, not my fault. Just needs to be done and get the fuck out of here. This one 04, cleaner than shit. Got the oil drain now. About ready to start pulling all this bullshit apart. Water pump day and spark plug day. No big deal. Well, I say that. I mean, shit. Who knows? Today's been an absolute disaster. So, clean ass 04. Sweet. How many million miles on this thing? Damn, 180. Shit, he's got. Oh, actually, I got 186. I looked the other day. So he's got a little bit more mileage than I do on my 07. Nice truck, though. So, this thing will be done today. This thing hopefully will be done today. This thing will be done today. And I can jump back on the Chevy. I'd like to get the trans in today, but I don't think that's going to happen. Actually, I know that's not going to happen. I'm not even going to kid myself. It will happen this week for sure. That thing will be test fit, driveline angle set this week. This thing, rear end will be pulled this week. Hopefully the rear end will be under this one this week. That does appear to be a body 8 3/4. God knows what ratio. So that's kind of what's depending on. Well, the trans I use is dependent upon what ratio that is. So this is, I'm pretty sure, it's a 276 7 1/4. Not too good for a 4-speed. 3 speeds actually have a lower first gear. So if I don't use that rear, I use this rear. I'm going with 3-speed. If that's a 308, 323, 342, 355, whatever, it's going in this thing, and I'm running 4-speed. So I'm kind of scared to pull it because it's probably gonna be a 518 or some bullshit. But oh, we can hear the Hemi coming. So anyway, so hopefully get progress on this. Hopefully get this thing out of here. This thing will be gone. That thing will be gone. This thing will be gone. This thing will be test fit, driveline wise, lower motor mounts made, and get the fuck out of here. So I am gonna find my, there it is. Whew, almost lost you. Get this old Milwaukee down the old gullet. You can hear the Hemi pulling up. That means it's work time. This poor thing. Anyway, I'm gonna polish this one off and get back to work and go from there. We'll see y'all later.